we're taking the OPPO Reno11 Pro out for a spin. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. We're doing a camera vlog test today, and if you don't know what that is, it's when I take these phones out for a spin, out and about in real life to see just how the cameras perform. Today's vid is in partnership with OPPO, and we're testing out the OPPO Reno11 Pro. Now, I do have a first look video on this phone in the channel. I'll link it up here and down below, and I do have the rock grade version, but I got my hands on the pearl white version, and this is the phone to get, guys. A moment for how this looks. I didn't get this color in time for me shooting this vlog that you're gonna be seeing, but for purposes of this video, I'm just gonna pretend that this is the phone. This color is the phone I shot with. Now, to recap, this phone camera features a 50 megapixel main shooter with a Sony IMX890 sensor. This also has OIS, a 32 megapixel telephoto camera with a Sony 709 sensor that can do 2x optical zoom, an 8 megapixel wide, and a 32 megapixel selfie camera with also a Sony sensor. Right? Let's get to the vlog. So, OPPO made a huge fuss about this phone being able to do portrait shots and doing well in low light. So, my first order of business would be to test it out at night on a lovely dinner out. Of course, I had to take portraits. I was immediately impressed by the results. And I mean that bokeh. This phone has what OPPO calls Hypertone Imaging Engine, which in simple terms uses multiple raw shots and AI to enhance the image. Simply put, for images in low light, it should look better. It was so funny too, because at some point in the night, I was noticing how the phone was doing it. And now that we're done with the low light shooting, let's see how the OPPO Reno11 Pro's cameras perform on a beautiful day in Vietnam. The natural bokeh on this phone, even on video, was pretty good. Walking and talking. Front-facing camera, 4K on the OPPO Reno11 Pro, and this is a wide. You can also do 1x, and this is still 4K. We love that about this phone because a lot of phones don't offer 4K for their front-facing cameras, which is sad for people who would like to vlog with their phones. Now, I'm showing you guys the steady mode on this because there is a steady mode on the front-facing camera. A lot of things happening. But also, this moves on to 1080p when you turn on the steady mode.
Steady mode.
So this is 4K and you can't do wide on 4K, but you can zoom up until 10x on 4K. As you've seen, these cameras can do wide to 20 times zoom, and it's only up until the 2 times zoom that's optical, but the 20 times zoom quality, it isn't bad either. So on 1080p, we are switching and we've switched shooting resolutions. You have wide and that's what you're looking at right now. You also can zoom in up until 10x. Ooh, it's a lot of smoke. This is across the street, back to wide. We're now on 1080p, and as you saw, just like the front-facing camera, you get cool stuff using this resolution. So you get this bokeh, live bokeh on video. You also get your retouch mode and also that steady mode even on the rear cameras. Oh, you see that bokeh? What's happening here is I was on portrait mode video and no faces are detected at first, but the moment the camera detects a face, because he gets closer, you get that background blur. That was honestly some pretty impressive live bokeh. How did that look? So this is the rear camera, normal walking. You've seen me do this a lot, and honestly, OIS on this, even without the steady mode. Oh, wait, I didn't realize. Wait, let's move on. I did not know we were on portrait mode, but yes, you've seen me walk and talk with this mode on. This is what it looks like. OIS does pretty well. And now this is actual steady mode. So let's see how that makes a difference.
Steady.
Ano?
Steady lang bro. Mas ready na tayo.
Anyway.
Steady mode din to.
Walking. Wait, no. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's steady mode, front-facing camera wide.
Steady mode.
Steady mode footage. Steady mode.
Steady mode jowa.
Ang babo namin. Ow. Sorry, so apparently, muna sa joke. Steady mode video. Steady mode boy.
Oh.
Ah. There's so much food. Usually, and as you guys know, night market scenes or street scenes are not the easiest low light shoots. But honestly, I think that the phone did pretty well with the crazy lighting. And that was our look at the OPPO Reno11 Pro camera performance when used out and about in real life scenarios. Let me know what you guys think, all details that I have on pricing and availability. I'll link down below. Let me know if you want to see other videos featuring this phone on this channel. If you want a social media test, comment down below. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.